Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial video brought to you by Intrepid Geophysics. Today I'll be showing you how to request for a license key for Intrepid. After you've downloaded and installed Intrepid, double click to open up the software. Since it's your first time opening it up, you should see an Intrepid license manager window pop up like this, and at the bottom here is where you want to enter your license key. To request for a key, please click email license request right here, click that, and then you fill in your details. For the purpose of this video, I'll just be filling up some sample details right here. After you've done with that, please click Open Email Client, and as you can see here, it brings up the Windows email app. The email has already been written for you, and make sure to check it's being sent to support@intrepid-geophysics.com. Double check all your details are correct, and check your host ID and your host names are displayed. If your Windows app doesn't open up like this and looks something different, you can click email license request again, fill in your details. But this time I want you to click copy to clipboard. After you've done with that, you can open up your preferred email. It could be Gmail, Hotmail, anything. Click compose a new mail, and again send to support@intrepid-geophysics.com. click paste. You can see the template is being pasted. Double check your details, make sure your host ID, your host name are displayed, and for subject you can just write Intrepid license key request, and then click send. After that, you can wait for email from us, and then we'll send you a key for it. The key should look something like this, with just a bunch of code. Copy your key, paste it in here, click install, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.